Hello, my name is John Ford, and welcome to my Automated Environment Provisioning course. In this video, I will demonstrate how students can create users, log in, and access or revert or destroy one copy of an environment that they are provided with. Feel free to share this video with your students so that they may watch it and understand what their side of things looks like. Your instructor should have provided you with either a username and password with which to log in, or with an access code with which to register. If you were provided with a username and password with which to log in, you may simply log in with your username and password. The page provided by my instructor was at 216.47.158.239. I am now going to log in with my provided credentials of username John and password. If it's the first time you log in, you may be greeted with a change password screen. If you are greeted with a change password screen, change your password to something secure. Upon changing password, you will have access to a control panel. From this control panel, you can start, access, revert, or stop one instance of the environment provided to you by your instructor. In addition, you can change your password by visiting Change Password. Visiting Change Password will bring you back to the Change Password dialog. To start an instance of your environment, simply click Start. This will launch a countdown timer, which will tell you how long you have to wait until your environment has been started. I will skip ahead in this video to when the environment has been started in order to avoid having to wait through the countdown. Once the countdown has completed, the page will refresh and provide you with the following additional options: access, revert, and stop. To access your environment, you may do so by clicking Access. This will redirect you to another login page where you have to once again enter your credentials. Remember that this time I'm going to enter that new password that I provided when changing my password. From here, I can see all of the machines that the instructor has provided me with. By clicking on the servers on the side, I can find which one has these machines inside it. From here, I can click on a machine and then click on the Console tab to gain access to that machine. If I would like to shut down or restart a machine, I may do so in the upper right here by clicking the shutdown option to shut down, or by clicking the arrow and clicking Reboot to reboot. In addition, instead of doing a graceful shutdown, I can force the system to suddenly shut down by doing a hard stop. If I made some changes to my machines and I would like to revert them back to their original state, I may do so by going back to the configuration panel. I will go back until I once again reach the configuration panel. From here, you'll notice I have the revert option. If I click revert, this will once again launch a countdown timer and notify me that it is reverting all the machines in my environment. From here, if I once again try to access those machines, you'll notice that they've all been reset to their original state. You can see that they are once again rebooting. Once I have completed my assignment, I can click Stop to destroy the machines in my environment. This will once again launch a countdown timer and provide me with a message saying that my environment is being stopped. Once this is complete, I can then restart my environment by once again clicking Start, or if I am finished, I can sign out by clicking Sign Out. If instead of providing you with credentials, your instructor has provided you with an access code, you may go to the registration page and create a new user with the provided access code. You can click on Sign Up Now to access the registration page. From here, I will choose a new username of John Doe. I can specify my password to be whatever I would like it to be. And for the access code, I will enter the access code provided by my instructor. In this case, the access code I was provided is simply access code. From there, I'll click Submit. Now that I have registered a new user, I can go ahead and log in as that user. Just as before, I can go ahead and start, access, revert, or stop my environment. In addition, I can change my password or sign out. This concludes this demonstration of accessing and using the environment from the student's perspective.